Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate 2-in-1 cleaning solution introduction. Keeping a clean home can be challenging, especially with the demands of busy schedules, pets, and kids. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is the perfect solution to make everyday cleaning effortless and efficient. This 2-in-1 device combines powerful suction and mopping capabilities to ensure your floors stay pristine without you lifting a finger. With smart technology, multiple control options, and high suction power, it's no surprise this versatile robot vacuum has become a popular choice for homes everywhere. In this article, we'll discuss the specific features, functionality, pros and cons, and give an in-depth review of the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Read on to see if this device could be the ideal addition to your cleaning routine, and if you're ready to try it, click on my affiliate link to get started with the best deals. Features and overview of the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo has garnered attention for its innovative blend of features. With its 2-in-1 capabilities, it's an excellent choice for those who want to simplify floor care, especially in homes with different floor types and pet hair. Here's a closer look at some of its standout features. 1. Vacuum and Mop Combo. This device is designed to perform 2 tasks in one go, vacuuming and mopping. It's highly efficient in picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair and then following up with a mopping function for a complete clean. 2. 3200 Pascal suction power. The vacuum comes with a powerful 3200 Pascal suction, one of the highest suction levels available in robot vacuums, to tackle both light debris and larger particles with ease. It works well on hard floors, carpets, and area rugs, adapting to various surfaces effortlessly. 3. Smart controls, app, Bluetooth, and voice. This model integrates seamlessly with smartphone apps and smart home systems, enabling you to control it with ease. Through the app, you can start or stop cleaning, set schedules, and even track the robot's cleaning progress. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience. 4. Slim design. At a height of around 2.85 inches, the slim design enables it to glide under furniture and into tight spaces that regular vacuums can't reach. 5. Self-charging capability. When the battery runs low, this robot vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's ready to clean whenever you need it. Detailed review performance and efficiency. With a powerful 3200 Pascal suction, the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is particularly efficient for pet owners or those with high traffic areas in their homes. It easily picks up pet hair, dust, and small debris from various surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and low-pile rugs. The mopping function is ideal for light spills and daily maintenance on hard floors, and it can quickly freshen up a room without leaving streaks or residue. One aspect that users frequently appreciate is the robot's ability to transition between vacuuming and mopping seamlessly. It's especially helpful for homes with mixed floor types, where you might want to vacuum one room and mop another. The scheduling feature allows users to set up a cleaning routine, so they can come home to spotless floors every day. Ease of use. This device is user-friendly, thanks to multiple control options. The app allows for easy scheduling, starting and stopping of cleaning, and customization of settings. The voice control option adds even more convenience for hands-free operation, allowing users to simply tell Alexa or Google Assistant to start cleaning. Additionally, the Bluetooth feature means it can be controlled even when Wi-Fi isn't available, making it ideal for those with limited connectivity. The self-charging capability is another significant convenience. Once it completes a cleaning cycle or runs low on battery, the vacuum returns to its dock, ensuring it's always charged and ready to go. Key functions and technology. 1. Dual vacuuming and mopping action. The primary feature of this device is its ability to vacuum and mop in one go, saving time and maximizing efficiency. Max suction power of 3200 pascals. This level of suction power ensures that even the most stubborn debris, pet hair, and dirt particles are captured. 2. Smart navigation and mapping. Advanced navigation technology allows this vacuum to map out the room layout, avoiding obstacles and covering the floor systematically. 3. Scheduled cleaning. Users can set specific times for the vacuum to operate, allowing for regular, automated cleaning. 4. App and voice control. Control the vacuum through a dedicated app, as well as voice commands, for easy operation. Pros. Versatile cleaning, combines both vacuuming and mopping, making it ideal for homes with a variety of floor types. Powerful suction, with 3,200 pascals, it has more suction power than most models in its class, effective on all surfaces. Smart control options, supports app, Bluetooth, and voice control, giving users flexibility and convenience. Scheduled cleanings. Automated cleaning schedules allow for set it and forget it operation, perfect for busy households. Slim design, its low height enables it to navigate under furniture and into tight spaces, reaching places that other vacuums might miss. Cons. Limited mopping power. While useful for light cleaning, the mopping function may not handle tough, sticky stains. Battery life. For large rooms, it may need to recharge before completing a full cleaning cycle when both functions are in use. Carpet and mop incompatibility. The mopping function is best suited for hard floors, it's less effective on carpets and may require adjustments when cleaning carpeted areas. Conclusion. The robot vacuum and mop combo is an impressive, multifunctional cleaning device that combines powerful suction with mopping capabilities, making it an ideal option for busy households. Its high suction power ensures that it effectively captures pet hair, dust, and dirt, while the mopping feature provides a light clean for hard floors. With smart controls that include app, Bluetooth, and voice activation, it's a breeze to operate, and the scheduled cleaning function means your home can stay clean without daily manual effort. Whether you have pets, a mix of hard floors and carpets, or simply need a device to make daily cleaning easier, this robot vacuum and mop combo could be the perfect addition to your home. Ready to try it out? Click on the link below to purchase and take advantage of the latest deals on Amazon. Buy on Amazon, https://amazon.to/308tbkb